Welcome back to part 2. We're working on our dad's Jeep Cherokee here. Last thing we did, we got a Bluetooth stereo in here. Well, a receiver anyways, a Bluetooth receiver for the stereo system. And we got that in there, so check it out in the last video. It'll be right here. We got a whole bunch of wiring done on the back side of that, and we brought it down into here. So that's gonna be help us for today while we do the amp and the bass. So what we're gonna do is we have some wiring here. So this wiring basically is gonna run down the side of here into the engine. Well, basically gonna connect some of these, and then it's also gonna connect to the battery over there, and it's gonna run back here on the Jeep. Oh, the door, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. It's gonna run down here, whoop, and it's gonna go under the seat where we're gonna have the amp that we picked up cheap, and then that in turn is gonna run from one of these back here to these temporary bass speakers. We might eventually get a better, bigger one or something, but it'll connect to those two, to the amp, to the middle, to the stereo, and the battery. So that's what we gotta get done today. All right, so the first thing I wanna do on this thing here is we're gonna prop this up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yay. All right, we got it up. Now, so the first thing I think I have to do is I'm gonna have to run the power from here over to the other side. And so we're gonna use this wire that came along with the kit, as well as a fuse that we have. So we're gonna connect it to this part of power because it goes directly from there. We're gonna wire a fuse in about here, right there, and we're just gonna wire it around as well. I already pre-drilled the hole over here that will be able to run it straight into the car. So let's go ahead and get this first part done. I'm gonna flick my fingers, just get it all wired, you know. Today is just gonna be really flicky. We're gonna flick everything off. Ready? All right, we're gonna flick that done, and then next part. Ready, set, boom. All right, we got the fuse in. We got it all stretched around over there. I left it unconnected because I don't want to shock myself or something or blow a fuse while I'm at it. So we can go over to the other side. Oh yeah, just walk around. All right. So it's coming in that way. Now we also need to run it to the back, but I don't like it hanging on the floor. So I'm actually gonna take these plastic trim out, and then we're gonna put it underneath and run also 2 more wires through it. So I'll flick it again. We'll get it halfway done, and then I'll flick it, and then it'll be completely done. So all right, so let's flick it halfway. Ready? All right, we got it wired in from here. Now it's running along the inside of here. We took this off. It's going around there, and now it's on the inside of here as well. Down there, goes in here, comes out there, and it's all right there. So we're almost ready. But yeah, now we can go back here, button it all up, and yeah, fix it all up. Ready, set, ta-da! All right, we got that tightened up. This tightened up in here. Now we just gotta go ahead and make the connections. So we just gotta plug everything in and connect all that, and then connect the base. So we'll put you on time lapse, and we'll get it all done. Oh yeah. Yeah, we are completely done now. So we go ahead, we just went and connected to the battery all the way around, going into the inside, so we can go ahead and shut this down here. We'll go ahead, oh yay, and now we go over here, dun dun dun. As you can tell, it is all completely buttoned up. You can't see anything other than the end here. Take a look in here, and it is completely open, and it's just a little hidden amp in the back here. And then if you take a look in the back here, this is completely done right here. And yeah, so we can go ahead and just listen to the music. Let's try the music for you guys. So we'll go ahead and choose the music and be right back. All right, this is the audio.
It's in my mind. It's still okay if I can stay with you. Would I run away? No. If I can stay with you, I'll find a way. 'Cause I don't run away. No, I won't
So there we go. I know you guys won't be able to hear the bass, so I won't play it for you guys because it just washes out the music, but it has good bass for those kind of speakers. We're gonna upgrade those eventually. But yeah, thanks for joining me on this part of this, my dad's actually build. We're gonna be swapping over some parts from the other Jeep that we have over here and just kind of gutting that one, putting on the nice Jeeps here. So yeah, merch coming, giveaway coming, more Jeep videos coming. So a lot of stuff happened, just been really busy, so I haven't been able to post a lot. So thanks for bearing with me, and I will see you guys in the next one. So yeah, see you later.